Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to install VMware tools on Windows 11. Click here and then manage and click on install VMware tools. An auto play notification appears. You get an option to run the VMware tools installer. If you don't see any notification, open the Explorer and you should find a new virtual drive that contains the VMware tools installation files. Right click the drive and start the VMware tools installation. Select Run Setup 64.exe and this should begin the VMware tools installation on Windows 11 virtual machine. Confirming with yes. The VMware tool setup installation wizard will install VMware tools on your computer. Click Next, select Standard and then click Next, click Install. The VMware tools installation is now completed. Click Finish. To complete the VMware tools installation, you must restart your system. Click Yes to restart the virtual machine. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next video. Bye.